We are going to review top 5 best toilet fill-in flush valve. Let's get started. List number 1. Danco Hire 460 Hydro Right Flush Valve. This universal flush valve from Danco allows you to update your single flush toilet and convert it into a dual flush toilet with all the benefits that includes. You might think that would be an expensive upgrade, but with the Hydro Right Flush Valve, it's an affordable change to make. Replacing the traditional lever that your toilet likely has now, this flush valve offers dual push buttons instead, allowing you to alternate between a more economical flush for liquids and a larger flush for solid waste. On the side of this device is an adjustable mini valve that lets you set the water level in the bowl, allowing you to get the perfect amount of water to avoid waste sticking to the bowl. This won't reduce your flushing power though, luckily. There's also no flapper on this valve. List number 2. American Standard Urinal Flush Valve. With clean aesthetics of polished chrome, the American Standard Exposed Flush Valve is a great way to top any urinal. It's very economical, using just 1 gallon of water with each flush. Moreover, it's reliable and durable, built to withstand years of daily use. It's perfect for any residential bathroom, though it would also be at home in any commercial setting, making the bathroom feel much more luxurious than many of the other exposed flush valves on the market that have a markedly industrial look. Inside this flush valve is a self-cleaning piston. This ensures that there's no buildup, which can start to reduce the flushing power of your toilet, eventually clogging the flush mechanism. The handle is long and light enough that it hardly takes any pressure to pull. List number 3. Sloan Regal Urinal Flush Valve. The Sloan Regal Urinal Flush Valve is another option for an exposed flush valve. It's a full replacement valve for any urinal, featuring a non-hold handle that's entirely ADA compliant. Each flush uses just 1 gallon of water, allowing you to conserve water and reduce your water bill. This flush valve has more of an industrial look than the American Standard valve that earned our Premium Choice recommendation. The finish isn't quite as nice, though it is still chrome-plated. Unfortunately, if you attempt to use cleaners on the finish, it could get irreparably damaged. That's pretty disappointing for such an expensive part that's intended to be exposed in the bathroom where we all know dirt and germs accumulate. You'll get a 3-year warranty with this flush valve. List number 4. Corki 5030 BP Universal Toilet Flush Valve. Many toilets have gotten away from the 2-inch valve design, opting for a larger 3-inch opening instead, that allows for a better flush with less water. The Corki 5030 BP is a great replacement valve for these toilets, offering an affordable way to get lasting performance from your toilet. It's a universal fit that will work with almost any 3-inch flush valve, though there are some toilets it won't fit. We even found one toilet that was listed as compatible but wasn't. Still, we found that it worked well in most toilets we tried. This flush valve uses Chlorazone red rubber gaskets that are chemical resistant and able to hold up to years of use. To that end, Corki even includes a 5-year warranty on this valve. List number 5. Zern Z6000 BYCE Aqua Flush Valve. The Aqua Flush Valve from Zern looks like any ordinary exposed urinal flush valve. Except it's not. This one is actually meant for use with a standard toilet, changing it to an exposed valve flush. For anyone who needs to upgrade their toilet to meet ADA compliance, this is a great option. It's not as expensive as other exposed flush valves, though it's definitely several times the cost of a good internal flush valve. It does include a 3-year warranty and chemical-resistant gaskets though, to make up some of the price difference. While most of the exposed flush valves we've seen were very economical, this one is a bit different. It is available in a low-flow option, but the one we tested used 3.5 gallons of water with each flush.